हेलो मिंत्रा ब्यूटी फैम, वेलकम टू मिंत्रा's ब्यूटी चैनल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? माय नेम इज हिमाद्री। आई एम अ ब्यूटी एंड फैशन कंटेंट क्रिएटर. So in today's video I'm going to share a Gudi Padwa inspired look for all those who are celebrating, and this is the look I came up with. I absolutely love how nice and simple it was for me to achieve this look, and it can be easily done under 10 minutes. All the products that I will be sharing in today's video were bought from Myntra's beauty section, where they have a huge variety of different brands and products for you to choose from. If you guys want to check out their beauty section, make sure to check the link in the description box below. And without any further ado, let's begin. Alright, so I've already cleansed my face and applied moisturizer. Next, I'm going to use the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer, and this is a silicone based primer. So silicone based primers are great if you want to achieve that flawless looking skin, because silicone based primers आपके texture या pose को blur out कर देता है, eventually making your skin look flawless underneath foundation, concealers and whatever you'll be applying on top. If you want to check out this product, the link is in the description box below. Once the primer is well blended, next I'm going to use the Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation that also contains vitamin C. Now इस serum के साथ एक pump आता है which makes it very convenient to use, so you have enough control over how much product you want to use. And ये serum की खास बात ये है that no matter how many layers you apply, it gives a decent coverage and it adds a beautiful natural glow from within kind of look. Like you can see, my skin looks very flawless. Now to cover up any pigmentation, marks and dark circles, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and I'll be focusing this more around my eyes and also wherever I have blemishes or acne marks. And the concealer shade that I'm using is pretty close to my skin tone, making my skin look more flawless. So जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, मेरी स्किन काफ़ी ज़्यादा dewy लग रही है, especially around my eyes and on my forehead. I'm going to set the concealed areas using a powder, and today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me 310 Compact Powder. एक हैक यहाँ पे मैं बताऊंगी, अगर आपकी ड्राई स्किन है, you can use your damp beauty sponge, and उसी स्पंज से आप अपना पाउडर उठाओ and slightly, very gently apply it under your eyes and on the areas where you feel that you get oily very easily. ये एक अच्छा सा dewy finish भी ऐड करेगा, and at the same time it won't dry out your skin. Next up, I'm going to fill in my brows using the Lakme Absolute 3D Brow Definer. इसके साथ एक साइड में स्पूली आता है and दूसरे साइड आपका ब्राउ पेंसिल. सो स्पूली से सबसे पहले मैं अपने आईब्रोज को अच्छे से कोम आउट कर दूंगी एंड धीरे धीरे हल्के हाथ से अपने ब्राउज को फिल करूंगी. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, आई डोंट लाइक टू गो वेरी हार्श विद माई ब्राउ पेंसिल बिकॉज आईब्रोज काफ़ी फेक लगते हैं उसके बाद. सो टेक योर टाइम वेन एवर यू आर डूइंग योर ब्राउज. टू एड कलर बैक टू माई फेस, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द Lakme Absolute Face Lift Palette to get 3 different shades: a bronzer, a highlighter and a blush. I'm going to pick up the blush color and it complements my skin tone really well. I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks, and after that's done, I'm going to pick up the highlighter shade, and it is super beautiful. I love how blinding it is. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and it has a lot of beautiful neutral shades that you can use on an everyday basis. If you want to check out this product, the link is in the description box below. I'm going to start off by picking up the lighter shades from the palette, and I'm going to apply it on my crease. Once that is blended, I'm going to pick up the orange color and apply it on the outer edge of the eye, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, and make sure to blend it really well to achieve a nice, beautiful, flawless looking eye makeup. The key here is to blend. Once that is well blended, I'm going to pick up these 2 beautiful bronze and golden shimmer shades, and I'm going to apply it on the eyelid area जहाँ पे मैंने eyeshadow पहले नहीं लगाया था, and उसको भी अच्छे से just keep this in mind that you have to blend it really well. Next, for eyeliner, I'm going to use the Maybelline Line Tattoo eyeliner. This is a beautiful black pigmented eyeliner, a very affordable one but a great one that is there in the Indian market. I'm going to create a wing eyeliner, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, not too thick, not too thin, just the right thickness, and you can of course customize it according to your liking. Mascara के लिए I'll be using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. If you want to check out this product, the link is in the description box below. Once that is done, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Ink Matte lipstick, and this is a long lasting formula. I'm sure because you'll be celebrating this festival, you want something that is long lasting, and this is an option for you that works really well. For my final touches, I added my bindi, my jewelry, and this is the final look. This is the final look everybody. I absolutely loved the way it turned out. Comment section में ज़रूर बताइएगा आपको ये makeup look कैसा लगा. And if you want to check out all the products that I've used in today's video, make sure to check the link in the description box below. If you enjoyed watching today's video, make sure to share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel for more such amazing content. And I'll see you guys really soon. Bye! Mwah.